Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and receive everything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! Hello there. So I am going to pose a question to you. Are you going to work your way into your ideal cleaning customer circle? Where are they? How do you find them? And there are two ways that you can find your cleaning customers. One is normally, other than being referred. So referrals do not count. So the first way is working your way in. That means putting in the work with media posts and doing everything organic with blogs and podcasts and YouTube videos. That is what your cleaning customers mean by working your way in. Now, when you do this, why and how does that matter? The reason why it matters is because you will end up being in what? The search engines. That's right. When you do the work and you put in the social media posts, and I'm talking about quite a few a day, not just one, not just two, not three, not four, maybe 5 up to 10. Because nowadays, think about it, a lot of people are using search engines to get their ideals and products found. So in the cleaning industry space, you had better believe that your ideal cleaning customer is right now probably Googling cleaning companies near me. And so one of the ways you can make sure that you pop up on what I talk about, this is all about getting on from page 3 to page 2 to eventually on page 1 without paying for an ad. This is called working your way in. You're putting in the work, you're diligent, you're persistent, you've got a time frame when your little alarm goes off on your phone to let you know that you need to be doing something to actually get started with working your way in towards their circle, towards their inner circle where they can find you, see you, and respond to you. Now, remember, when you're working your way in, you've got to be patient. This is free. It's not free as far as your time, but it's free as far as, so this is what we call sweat equity. You're putting in the work now so that you can understand how you're going to reap the benefits later. So really, really, really important. And like I said, this isn't one post once a week or 2 posts once a day. This is anywhere from 5 to 10, 15 posts a day. And I know you may be wondering, what would I post about? Well, that's where you have to be creative. Think of right now what your cleaning customers are concerned about and put yourself in their shoes and make sure that you address their concerns. And when you do that and you put that in social media posts, blog posts, on a podcast, on YouTube videos, you'll be surprised. You will start to see the fruits of your labor start to manifest, and I guarantee you that. But you have to be consistent every single day. Do the same thing every single day and set your alarm to go off when you need to do a post. Do it automated. Do Hootsuite or something like that, where you can automate it. Sit down on the weekend, do your posts, and next thing you know, they are uploading and you are out there to your ideal customers. So this is what we call working our way in. Tomorrow, I'm going to talk about another way that you're going to get to your customers. So make sure, if you haven't, that you subscribe so you do not miss out on a thing on what you need to do to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. So if you'd love to know more, then make sure you sign up for the free masterclass. And it's the actual blueprint that I use to scale all 3 of my cleaning businesses in 3 different states. And each of them got to over 6 figures and beyond within a year. And one of them was in a couple of weeks. So I was making like $30K from one, starting from 0 within a couple of weeks. So this masterclass, I go into that and so much more. So make sure that you click the link and you will see the description inside of the description where you can actually register. Now, if you'd like to know more about what services we provide and how we can help you scale your cleaning business to what? 6 figures and beyond, then make sure you give us a call at 407-595-1598. The number is also in the description, and we'd love to hear from you. So until next time, be safe, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.